Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to quickly show you this unit that I have on my head right now. I just thought that I may as well make a video on it because I'm going to get loads of questions in my vlogging channel, so I'll just leave the link in the description box of that. And if you want to check out that vlog, then I will also leave a link in the description box of my vlogging channel. The vlog should be up soon. Today's wig is from Mychicwigs, and yeah, she's a curly unit, as you can tell. This is actually also a 360 unit, so if I wanted to put it up in a bun, then I could, because it's lace all around the perimeter. I got mine in 18 inches and it is 150% density. So as you can tell, she is quite thick. Even though it's really thick, it's not heavy at all. I made a wig the other day and I used 3 bundles and it's the heaviest unit I've ever felt. Like, I can put combs on it and it will probably still slip off my head. It's that heavy. This only has combs at the back of the unit, like they're here, and then one right at the back, and it doesn't fall off my head because it's so light. All I have to do is like glue down the front, or you know, just spray it down, and it is secure. Obviously if I wanted to, I could add some clips into it, but I just feel like I don't need to because, as you can tell, it's on my head. When the unit first came, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really like it that much. Like, I was like, you know when it first comes and the curls just come all clumped together looking synthetic. So I went ahead and re-washed it. I conditioned it this time and I put some eco styler in it, and the curls clumped up. I used my Denman brush and the curls clumped up so nicely. It clumped up so much that I actually had to unwind them. So yeah, they're definitely a coil. As you can see, the curls are coily rather than like an S curl. I hate S curls, I'm not gonna lie. And it shipped so quickly, guys. Like, by the time I put my order down, like 2 days later, it was already at my door. So that's a bonus if you need like really quick shipping. So they said first of all that it's pre-plucked, and yes, it is pre-plucked. Like, I didn't have to do absolutely anything to this unit, which I hate personally. I hate plucking my units just because it takes a long time and then you have to clean up after it, and it's just like, you know, especially when the hair comes as a thick block. Like, I absolutely hate that. Comment down below if you hate it too. It's just one of my biggest pet peeves. But they also said that the knots came bleached, and now this is where I was a bit did they? Like, I've had to spray some stuff on the unit because I hate bleaching my knots. Like, I just don't see the point. So I just spray some like tanning stuff on it and it makes the knots disappear. But the fact that I had to do that obviously tells you that they weren't bleached. I don't feel like they were bleached. I could definitely still see the knots, but they were single strand knots and they were really small. When the wig came, it definitely had a smell, but it wasn't like a disgusting smell. It was just more of like, it's just been shipped from a factory. Like, it just smelled like factory kind of hair. Whereas sometimes you'll get a unit and it really stinks, and no matter how many times you wash it, it will just smell. That's not this hair. It definitely just went after one wash, so you know, it smells good now. It doesn't smell like Cheetos or whatever it smells like when it comes from a factory. The wig definitely fits really nicely onto your head, and one thing that I do like about it is that not all the strands at the bottom are the same length, so it is kind of layered and it looks more natural, as you can see. Whereas if it was just like all one length, it would just be like, girl, what is going on? But yeah, that is this unit. That is it for this video. It was just a quick rundown on all of the specs and stuff of this unit and whether I like it or not. I would definitely recommend it just because, I don't know, there's just nothing that can really go wrong with a curly unit, especially this one, because the curls are just so soft and bouncy and natural. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, just comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on my vlogging channel because I'll probably be posting more on that channel now rather than this channel, just because I don't have the time for this channel anymore. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.